Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to create another custom visual, and this will be the dot plot. So you will have to go to the app source, the three dots right here, click on import from app source, go to the search bar, type in dot, and you'll see the dot plot, this one, second one. So this is by Microsoft, this one is by a different provider, MAQ software. This is by OKWiz. So we want to import the one from Microsoft because that's totally free to use. The others have some in-app purchases, so that makes it difficult to use. So let's click on the visual right away, and a little about this visual. So basically you can use it to show distribution of frequencies in a great looking way. Dot chart or dot plot is a statistical chart, so you'll have different data points on the chart. Once I create the visual, it'll be easier for you to understand. And it is a representation of distribution, consists of a distribution, and it consists of group of data points plotted on a simple scale. Now where can you use this? It can be used for a data set that is small to moderate sized, and if you want some clusters to be highlighted, or there are some gaps and outliers that need to be identified, it can be done for those as well. So once I've got this here, I want to have my let's say I want to see my products, and then I want to have my sales. One second. So like in other field options that you have here, you have category and a value. So this can be done. This is fairly simple one. So you have a couple of options in here. So you can go to dots and increase the size of dots, since we don't have many points over here, many products. And apart from that, you can also go to data labels, and you have the option of displaying units. You can choose as none, so you won't be shown anything. It will be shown as a true value. You have millions and stuff like that. You have decimal points that you can manipulate. You can increase the text size of the data labels, and the orientation can also be changed, so you could make it vertical as well. So this looks better, this looks quite neater. So this is how you can create one, and I'll just show you one more example. So let's take out product and our sales, and let's go to different data set that I have uploaded. Yeah, so let's go to my category. So let's go to my subcategory. I have more points in there, so I'll go to my subcategory and I'll have my sales. So this is how it looks. This is how the dot plot looks. Easy to understand, simple to use. It's quite clear, it's quite evident. Now we have here that phones and chairs both are at 0.33 million, and then storage is at 22.22 million. So quite easy to understand, easy to explain as well. So this is the dot plot visual. Thank you. I hope you learned something new. For more content, keep subscribing to the channel.